This is Nissan Sunny original gear knob. We are putting this racing gear knob to it. Race. You need a little bit of Jesus tape and these tongs. Okay. Put this cover so it don't have scratches. And then we take these pliers and okay, then we twist it. It's a little bit tight. If it's stock gear knob, nobody has ever twisted it. Not even your granny. Okay, it's loose enough. Take your handy. That was tight! Then we install this adapter to the gear knob. We need right size. What is that? Maybe from these do somewhere. That is too loosey. Okay, it's that. Okay. Then we have this right size. Then we install this adapter to the racing gear knob. Okay, then we continue. Okay, then we have that there. Then we install it to the stick. I think it's tight enough. Okay, then we're ready for the road racing.